In the next 15 seconds, you're about to uncover the single most powerful natural oil for reducing hidden inflammation, restoring your energy, sharpening your mind, and helping your body feel lighter, stronger, and more alive than it has in years. And once you know what it is, you'll want to start using it immediately. Most people have no idea how much inflammation controls their daily life. It silently affects how you wake up, how you think, how you digest food, how you burn fat, how you handle stress, and how quickly you age. While many assume inflammation only shows up as redness or swelling, the truth is far more complex. Chronic low-grade inflammation is one of the most significant underlying factors behind fatigue, stubborn weight, joint discomfort, mood, instability, digestive issues, brain fog, and slow recovery. But there is one natural oil that stands out, an oil backed by traditional medicine, strengthened by modern research, and capable of reaching deeply into the cellular processes that drive inflammation. This oil is black seed oil, extracted from the seeds of Nigella sativa, a plant so historically revered that ancient cultures called it the seed of blessing. Today, its active compound, thymoquinone, is recognized as one of the most potent natural anti-inflammatory agents known. But before understanding why black seed oil is so effective, it's important to see how inflammation works. Inflammation itself is not the enemy. In fact, it's a vital defense mechanism. When you get injured or fight off an infection, your immune system creates an inflammatory response to repair damage and protect your body. The problem arises when this system never fully switches off, something modern life makes incredibly common. Chronic stress, poor sleep, processed foods, excessive sugar, pollutants, sedentary habits, and emotional overload push the body into a state of constant alert. Hormones spike, immune cells misfire, and the inflammatory pathways stay active, even when there's no real danger. Over time, this disrupts nearly every internal system. This is exactly where black seed oil brings extraordinary benefits. It helps regulate inflammatory signals at a biochemical level. Thymoquinone interacts with pathways like TNF-alpha, IL-6, and NFB, which are responsible for triggering inflammation in the body. By reducing their overactivity, black seed oil helps calm the immune response and restore balance. And the effects aren't subtle, they're transformative. People who use black seed oil consistently notice less joint stiffness, improved digestion, clearer skin, more stable energy, reduced bloating, and a greater sense of overall wellness. Many say they feel as if a heaviness lifts from their body, replaced with a sensation of clarity and lightness. One of the most fascinating benefits is its impact on metabolism. Inflammation interferes with insulin signals and promotes fat storage, especially around the waist. Black seed oil helps reduce inflammatory stress on metabolic cells, allowing the body to burn energy more efficiently and regulate appetite more naturally. This is one reason why many individuals experience improved weight control when using it regularly. Another major advantage is its antioxidant capacity. Thymoquinone acts as a strong scavenger of free radicals, unstable molecules that damage cells and accelerate aging. By protecting tissues from oxidative stress, black seed oil supports longevity, skin health, mental clarity, and cellular repair. Its effects on digestion are equally impressive. Modern diets and lifestyles often lead to inflammation in the gut, affecting nutrient absorption, immune function, and even mental health, since a large part of serotonin is produced in the intestines. Black seed oil helps soothe the digestive tract, reduce inflammation, and promote better microbial balance. Its impact on respiratory health is another reason it is so valued. Many people with allergies or sensitivity to environmental irritants notice improvement when inflammation is reduced. Black seed oil also supports hormonal equilibrium. Chronic inflammation disrupts cortisol, estrogen, insulin, thyroid hormones, and neurotransmitters. By calming the inflammatory system, the body can regulate hormones more efficiently. This leads to better mood stability, more consistent energy throughout the day, improved stress tolerance, and smoother hormonal cycles. But one of the most overlooked benefits is its ability to improve circulation. Healthy blood flow is essential for nutrient delivery, tissue repair, detoxification, brain performance, and physical endurance. Black seed oil helps relax blood vessels and reduce internal stress, allowing the circulatory system to function more effectively. To experience all of these benefits, purity and extraction method matter. High-quality black seed oil is cold-pressed, non-refined, and stored in dark glass bottles to protect its active compounds. Low-quality versions can lose potency quickly or contain additives that reduce therapeutic effects. The best way to use black seed oil is typically 1 to 2 teaspoons per day, taken with food to support absorption. Some people mix it with warm water, lemon, or honey. Others incorporate it into smoothies. It can also be applied topically for skin discomfort or joint massage, though ingestion is where the deep internal benefits occur. What makes this oil so unique is that it acts not as a stimulant or suppressant, but as a balancer. It nudges the body back into harmony. Rather than forcing a reaction, it supports natural processes, allowing the body to correct itself. This is why long-term use remains safe and effective for most people. Imagine waking up in the morning without that sluggish feeling you've grown used to. Imagine having clearer focus, less joint pressure, a calmer mind, improved digestion, and a sense that your body is finally working with you instead of against you. This is the kind of transformation people often experience when inflammation is finally addressed at the root. Black seed oil doesn't offer a quick fix, it offers a rebalancing, a deep reset, a way to help your body recover from years of hidden inflammatory stress. And the best part is that it's natural, affordable, time-tested, and supported by both tradition and modern science. If you've been feeling tired, bloated, heavy, achy, or mentally drained, if you've been struggling with slow metabolism or chronic discomfort, if you've been searching for something simple yet powerful to support whole-body wellness, this is your moment to take action. Start giving your body the support it has been begging for. Your transformation begins with the first drop.